Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today, I am unboxing a pre-loved item, and I believe I purchased this from eBay, if I recall correctly. And I wasn't sure what silhouette I wanted to acquire in this particular print. It is no longer in production, but when I came across it, I thought it was really pretty and versatile. So it can definitely be, I would probably say it's more on the casual side. But you'll see here shortly. So this is definitely an unboxing and unwrapping of an eBay purchase. Okay, it is in the Dooney Bourke dust bag, so that's a good sign. Thank God it wasn't just loosely moving around in the box with nothing around it protecting it. So, I'll have to double check the year, but I want to say maybe 2016 or 15. It was a few years ago when this collection came out. And let me look it up just to be sure, y'all, because I don't want to say it wrong. Just a moment. Okay, I had it right. It was 2015. So this is from the Dynasty collection during that time. And this is a shoulder bag. And Hobo, I believe it falls in the Hobo category. And I was looking at they have a drawstring silhouette, a Dover tote silhouette, a smaller like a saddlebag crossbody silhouette. But I decided on this one. I do like this, the additional leather strap closure that it has. So let's see what the inside looks like. For this to be an almost 10-year-old purse, I don't think it looks too bad. I do see some love scratches here on the corner. So I will try possibly conditioning that to see how it comes out. And a little bit there too. All in all, it doesn't look too bad. Definitely pre-loved. I'll probably try to focus more on getting that out since it's in the front. Let's see the inside. The strap doesn't look bad either. It's pretty soft, but strap's not too bad. And it can be lengthened and shortened as well. The leather pull tab. So far, okay. Inside, I see a little bit, possibly, it doesn't quite look like ink pen, but it could be right here. So this bag will definitely get a good deep cleaning from me before I carry it. And one thing I just noticed, I don't see the, I believe these came also with a leather hang tag that had an R on it, if I'm not mistaken. I don't see that on this one, but I don't know if that was something that came with all silhouettes or just certain ones, or if that was something that needed to be bought in addition to the bag. So I'll have to do more research on that. But in all, it doesn't look too bad. I really like the colors in it. I can wear it with any of these colors, as far as like some pretty cargo pants, like a army green color. I know I have an army green sweater, so I'll probably be wearing this in the cooler months. Get a close-up of the full pattern and the leather. So I would say not too bad for an 9-year-old purse. The ones that I saw in pristine condition were probably about triple the price that I paid for this one. So I'm not going to complain. I'm just going to try to polish her up and make it extra shiny and pretty. So this is it, y'all. This is my Hobo from the Duck Dynasty collection, an eBay find that I was able to acquire. I'm still kind of thinking about the drawstring. If I find the little saddle bag, I will probably be happy with that too. But in the meantime, this one will do. And I may record the cleanup of it to kind of do a before and after comparison as well, to see if I was able to get it looking prettier. But that's it, y'all. This is my eBay find. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. As always, have a wonderful day.